we got two bass lines to do real quick. We have this blue C7Z and then we have this black ZL1. I believe we got to take superchargers off both of them for porting, so we might as well baseline them early, get those blowers off, get them sent out. Let me get this checked. Anything done to this thing?
Dyno sheet right on the passenger seat. I don't know why we have to base it.
Oh, does it? Well, every dyno is different. Let me see. What does it say?
It's a bolt-on part, made 661.
Matt is upset. All right, what are our guesses? Matt, you gonna go with the dyno sheet in the car?
Yeah, I'll just go with 661.
660.
I'm gonna go with 640.
I'll go 652. Is it a dyno jet?
Yep.
Okay.
One drive there.
STD, SAE?
I don't know.
Yeah.
It was climbing.
Yeah, when I looked over, it was 14.
Yeah.
Yeah, whoever tuned this is so
Yeah.
But he was cheaper, though.
It's like, it started.
Alright, well, there you have it. 611. It was very lean. It started kind of going up a little bit more, so yeah, not worth it. We're not doing another one. 2020 ZL1. What are our guesses? Manual, auto? Auto. It is auto. You want to guess there first there, pal?
Going 559?
Nah, I don't know.
580.
That was my guess. God damn it.
Took too long.
I'm pop myself right in the middle.
TJ's, like the newer ones, I think have been stronger lately. TJ's was pretty high, like 590.
I'll go high. I'll go 585.
586 is what you said? It's a little rich.
Yeah, it is.
11 something. Matthew? Yeah. You almost intake manifold ready? Time?
Lord knows I'm trying.
Okay. So obviously he had to do some... You alright over there?
I'm totally fine.
Okay. Alright. Get some fittings and everything in here. Sensors everywhere. Make sure nothing hits. So that was all good to go. We'll wipe her down. Get fingerprints off when we're done. Frankenstein. Oh yeah.
Which is a necessity because all the fitting, you know.
I actually like that spot for it too. It'll be out of the way.
And down out of the way is down the way it gets.
Yeah. Sure is. Little things that don't really show.
Try and hide everything on the intake as much as possible.
Matty cleans Menace's shirt. holy.
I'll do it.
Forgot to peak your fuel system, regulator, everything else looks really good. Nice and clean, hidden, out of the way.
Something like that, pretty much.
I like it.
Really looking to get this intake wrapped up tonight.
Let's check back on this. Eric obviously was working on the ZL1 earlier. Is that thing good to go?
Whenever frame flashes it.
Okay. I saw the charger on it, so I assumed he was.
Yeah, I don't think he did anything when he did it.
Okay. I don't know what any of that was.
Yeah, I think he's got Tourette's or something.
Oh, pivotal moment. Pivotal moment.
That's to be the last mock-up moment.
It's okay, I can see where, how she's gonna live.
So we can definitely get to the front of that. Yeah, she's living all right.
That looks pretty killer.
The shitty part's gonna be getting this fucking hose on the back of this thing.
Camaro RS.
Yeah, I did not know that they made a V8 and an RS.
Yeah. I mean, I guess it's just rally sport, like the old ones.
Yeah, I know, but
they
then all the other ones that they didn't make V8s and RS was like the base model.
Yeah.
With no like they were all V6.
Hey, whatever.
Learn something new every day.
Yeah, sure do. I think this is the first 20E1 we've had too. No, it's not really. No. Strike that.
Nah, this guy Ken Coburn that we did before. It's like literally we did the exact same thing.
Okay.
It had a different intake manifold and throttle body, but other than that, it was the same.
Alright. Well, scratch that.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah, it's not. It was a silver car, I believe. I remember.
What's all done in this besides just basic bolt-on?
Bolt-on E85, yeah.
Okay. It's already got E in it, or we're doing E?
Yeah, it doesn't have E in it. It's got a sensor on it.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to do a baseline, see how it is right now, and then tune, and then E85 tune.
Yeah.
Okay. Headers done though?
Yeah, I think there's headers on it.
I'm
Yeah,
going to
do
go 450
I was going to go 461.
for baseline.
No. You saying 450 baseline?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, this thing should make 500 on it.
Yeah, I mean lately. So I think with E and everything else, probably around the 500 range. Maybe pick up like 15 or so with tune, and then maybe another 20 with E.
Tell you in about 5 minutes, and we'll make some next file.
Okay. Okay, there's your baseline. Untuned-ish. Not bad. Air fuel's actually not horrible. For the mods that are on it, that sounds about right. First pull, 467, 475, first tune. Really not too bad. Right at 13 out. Air fuel right on, 12.5, still picked up a little power, 473, 475 still. First E-pull, pretty good. 489, 494 torque. Yeah, a little bit, get another pull before when I was getting these, so that's why there's more torque on that one. Looking good. Woo. Hell yeah. So Fran has that C6Z, Eric just did the flip drive on. Flip drive with this.
Change the pulleys a little bit.
I was gonna say, judging by boost, I'm guessing. Well, I know it comes with a different lower.
Well, because it's 8 rib, yeah.
Yeah.
What boost did it make before? Any idea?
I want to say 10.
It's making like 12 now.
Okay, that's pretty good. I think it was like just at 900 last time it was here, like a year and a half ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I can look it up.
Yeah, look it up.
Right at-
Because it's on flex fuel too, so.
Oh, was it on Flex last time?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Okay.
Pretty damn good.
Small different packs and I know I'm assuming you're going off the wideband in the car. I saw one there was going a little lean, so I'm guessing it's not as that.
Well, it's on E too, so it's not that bad.
Yeah,
But yes, I'm going off.
I figured. Pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Pretty sure that blower's maxed too. Bill said.
Is it a T-trim?
Yeah.
It's good power for a T-trim.
Yeah,
But it's high compression, so.
that's true. All we did was a piston in this thing. Freaking,
Yeah.
it's badass. Pretty sick setup. Do a quick update here with Eric. Eric! That was my best Billy Madison, Eric. Fuel system looks good. It's gotta be tough with these tanks.
Yeah, it sucks, but you know, make it work.
It looks good though. I mean, you've got 10 pounds of stuff in a 5-pound package.
Yeah.
Blowers should be back tomorrow.
Yeah, Bill said he's gonna pick it up tomorrow, so.
Brakes should be back either tomorrow or this weekend. I'll probably grab them.
Yeah, Bill just said that too.
Oh, well, look at that. Looking good.
Meth, and then I will wire everything up on the fuel system.
Cool. Looking good. Plus, you still got tires and shit to mount on this, don't you?
No.
Oh, you already did them?
Oh, tired. Yeah. No, I still got tires.
Okay, that's what I thought.
I was trying to think what we were talking about. Thought you were
His,
talking about one.
no, his welds. We got just tires on the ZR1, right? Just rears? Okay.
No, just all of them.
Oh, really? Well, Eric's gonna be busy on the tire machine.